What is happening, guys? What is happening? I think I'm just gonna put the lip on. I need this bumper to get rewrapped, but honestly I don't. Really, they could just put a touch up right here. That's the only thing, it's just this piece. So I'm just gonna put the lip on because I can't roll lipless, dog. I gotta have my lip, you know what I'm saying? So, you guys want the good news or the bad news? The good news is I woke up today, shit. And the bad news is I scrape this motherfucker every time I leave. Who's man's doing donuts right here? Chris, were you over here, Supercar Suspects? Yeah, that's gotta go. Hear that rasp? Trash. Damn, it's a little hot. You know, let me turn this thing up, guys. I turn the boost up real quick. It's a little warm. So currently I'm on my way right now to pick up the ARK exhaust for the Q. Let's get it. Right now I technically don't have an exhaust on this car. It's just Motordyne ARK pipes, Megan Y pipe. After that it's stock piping, and then I have a Tanabe axle back, which sounds okay when it has stock cats, but now that I took the cats off, that sounds like shit, bro. I hate the way this car sounds. This ARK exhaust should sound pretty sick. The piping is gonna be a little bit bigger, so it should gain a few horses. I'm not that guy that's gonna be, oh my god, it's gonna gain 20 peak wheels. This car's definitely gonna be shooting flames. Because I have the flame map and all that stuff on here, but it just doesn't do it with this exhaust, because literally the stock piping after the Y pipe is like, bro, it's like that. You trying to cut me off, sir? What are you doing? Speedy Gonzalez over here. Sounds like a damn soda can with a BB inside breakdancing. Like, the So that's the move for today. I'm gonna go pick up this exhaust right now, head back to the shop, install it, and we're gonna go from there. And we are arriving. This is, you guys see it on the building. ARK Performance, big legendary partnerships. My Q is a 3.7, it's not the 3.0 turbo, but this exhaust is for a 3.0 turbo. Fitment is the same. It's their Gen 2 exhaust. It's just made a little bit better. The canister is a little bit different. He says it will be a little bit louder, so a little excited to hear this. Should I send it? This exhaust sounds like shit. Oh, I can smell the rubber, baby. Just pulled up the legendary canes. Hopefully those drinks don't fall. Get some food for the gang. You know, I'm a nice guy. You know what I'm becoming to realize? A lot of you guys actually really like this car. As simple as it is, a lot of you guys really like it. So, appreciate you. Thank you. Freshly painted speed bump that I'm gonna ruin right now. And ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Yeah, it looks nice. The welds look awesome. Quality right there. You guys can see the welds. It's not too heavy. Looks good. Has the whole white pipe made. It's a little loud in here, sorry. Oh, look what we have here. Is that a Dolme bag? For sure is. Alright, so if you guys want to see why this thing doesn't shoot flames, it's because these little ass fucking pipes. What are those? Like, bruh, what is that? What is that? Trash ass piping. Alright, so if you guys ever worked on your cars, one of the most annoying things are these motherfuckers right here, bro. I hate hangers, dog. Like, these things right here, it's hit or miss. Either it's gonna be a 5-minute job or it's gonna turn into an hour. Cause them things, man, as you can see, I didn't even take it out of there. I just took the whole damn bolt out of these ones. I wasn't even gonna try it. Like, nah, these things are, I hate them motherfuckers. All right, exhaust is off. I got my art pipes over here. Not looking like much of art anymore, but low life. Scrape a dape. It's actually not too bad. For as low as it is, I hit this pretty damn often, but I never hit this, never hit my oil pan, so it's just the right height. So let's get this exhaust on.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, it's on. fitment, A1. So once again, shout out to ARK. Looks good. That looks beast right there. And California got rid of the exhaust law. You can still get a fix-it ticket, but shit, it ain't no state rev. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm only gonna scrape this and here. Hopefully I don't scrape these. Hopefully I don't. Cool, man. Let's put this lip on now. Put a little bit extra 3M. Lip is on. And these little parts I need to get redone, but whatever, I just had to put the lip on. So this time, instead of just using self taps, I actually put a tin and a nut on top. Tin, a nut, tin, a nut. So this shouldn't like come off. I might ruin it, but it shouldn't come off like it did before. So we'll see how long it lasts. This shit said the hell. So those flanges, I'm for sure scraping those. Honestly, I'm just worried about getting in my garage, cause I have to back into my garage. I can't even pull into my garage front ways because it's a lip. So hopefully I can still back into it without busting that flange off. See how this sounds. I'm gonna pull it out. Sounds good for sure. I had hella rasp at like 3K. But listen now. Already scraping the lip. But yeah, for sure it shouldn't have any rasp or drone. Sounds really clean. Oh yeah, that shit sounds good. Way different tone. I don't know how well it picks it up on video, but it has a nice like growl. Sounds really deep. Come on, man, hurry up. Dude. Jesus. Did you see how long it took them to turn? Sounds aggressive. Not bad. Stupid ass bar. Well, lips back on for now. Exhaust is on. I'm waiting for my bumper splitters. Sounds pretty good. Got some growl to you now. Sounding like a little Rottweiler. He said since this is for the Turbo Q50, it is going to be a little bit louder because they did something different with the canisters. So it's cool though. It's not too loud for sure. But my other exhaust was quieter, but it just sounded like shit. Now my concern is just I gotta see how it does at my apartments, because I gotta go over 4 speed bumps and I gotta back into my garage. So hopefully I can make it in that bitch. Pretty sure on the freeway it sounds just like this. I'm doing 60, so yeah, light throttle, it's really quiet. Damn, we get a peep of that moon though. Big moon. It actually sounds a lot better from the outside of the car than inside. Once he revved it for me outside, it sounded pretty damn good. That's the jam right there. I only know like 5 Spanish words, but that should be hitting. Alright, first speed bump's not that bad. The second and the third one are pretty bad. I wish they could just like cut out the middle of it just for me. That shit would be cool. Ooh, ooh, you heard that? That was all. Ooh, so this one's kind of shitty. Ooh. Alright, so you see all that? That's what I'm worried about. That flange catching the edge. Oh, here we go. We did it. That's right. We good. As low as that motherfucker is, it works. Shit, alright then, pimp. So that is that. Well, still stinks. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the exhaust. I think it sounds pretty good. Subscribe to the channel. You already know I got more content coming. I always find a way to make some kind of video. So yeah, man, until the next video, I'm out.